Hey, good morning everybody. Thank you for watching. As you know, my husband, Tesla basketballer, and I got him a gift for Christmas, but he was very busy with his YouTube channel, so he didn't have time to install my gift. And today, while he's still sleeping, I decided to do a surprise for him. Please open the trunk.
I didn't catch that.
Really? Okay, here we are in the car. Please open the trunk.
I didn't catch that.
Seriously? It's supposed to be easy. Please open the trunk.
I didn't get that.
Seriously? Open the trunk.
Done. I opened the front trunk.
Basically, you should talk like with your husband without please or thank you. So here's my gift. It's a protector for Tesla Model 3, touch screen, and I researched this company. It's Elon Accessories, and the review was great. Let me try to put it on. Okay, let me open the box and see what is inside. So we have to clean the touch screen with a dry wipe. Share. Yes, you do sucks of parking, fellow driver. Oh, it's great. I can use that. And screen protector. Okay, let's do that. To clean the car, I don't know if you know that, we should go to display and put screen clean mode. So after I clean the screen, so we have here dust absorber. So I just gonna make things we do for husband. I hope he will really like his gift. Okay, I'm just finishing cleaning the screen and we're ready for installation. So we need a guide sticker. Oh, I hope I'm not going to screw this up. But I'm trying here. It says it's very easy to install, so we will put it to test how easy. And now our screen protector. So the sticker should be bottom corner right, properly on the screen. Here's our screen with my hair. So this video is a fail because I just was holding the screen, which is supposed to be indestructible, and it's just crack on me. So unfortunately, no gift for my husband. I feel very upset right now. So at least my screen is very clean right now, and I'm gonna contact this Elon Accessories and see what they can do for me. I didn't do anything with the screen, it just cracked in my hands before even I have a installation going on. Okay, see you soon. Maybe one day I will finish installation. Thank you for watching and catch you up in next video. Like and subscribe to Tesla basketballer. PS. Contact the customer service for Elon Accessories. They told me they're gonna replace the product, and I guess more video to come when I got replacement. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Okay, finally we got a replacement screen, and I will try to continue with my installation surprise. Oh, look at that. Happy to replace Margarita. I cannot wait to see you YouTube grow. I think it's for Mark, but cheese ram. You saw in the first part of my video. It's failed. Now we try it again. So I think the screen is ready to go. After the screen is clean, it says I have to put guide stickers on the back. It's kind of dusty. And we start. So, okay, and now the fun part. So I should peel this off. Okay, and I'm just gonna clean. Okay, and now we're dropping it. So if you have any bubbles, you should just take this out. It's a little bit pressure, it says. All the bubbles out except one. So my mistake. I should be more slow. Woohoo! 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 It's working. Okay, final thoughts. So it didn't work perfectly. I have two bubbles still here. So I don't know if Mark gonna be upset about that. Maybe I'm not going to tell him. He never gonna know. Mental note. I think it should be more slow when you put the screen. Otherwise, I think it's look good. And then from the back, you should pull this stickers. Sounds good to me. Looks good to me. Okay. So let us see if it's working. Everything is working. Okay, and I'm done for today. I hope my husband, Tesla basketballer, gonna be happy. I'm not going to tell him install his screen protector and see if he will realize that. I'm sure he does. I'm happy with my job. I know I left one tiny bubble, very tiny, so hope he's gonna be not recognize that. After all, I'm happy with my surprise. See you soon.
Hey guys, look what I got. The Elon Accessories 15-inch touch screen protector for the Model 3. Let's go do an install on it. Let's go. Hey, what are you doing in the car? Nothing. Nothing. Look what I got today.
Oh, is it cute? Oh.
Can we do the install for it today?
Okay.
What?
Of course, Mark.
All right.
Install.
Let me sit inside. Get out of my driver's seat. Hold that for me, thank you. Hey, what is this?
What is that? It's your car.
But there's like, the screen is different. It's smooth and shiny, and there's no reflection.
Surprise! Surprise!
Did you install it already?
I tried my best. So, no complaints, no taking it. It took me 2 months. From Florida
2 months?
to do that surprise for you. I started in Florida and finished here.
So wait, this box is empty?
No, Ram was so nice and sent us extra one.
Wait, so we have 2.
Yes.
So what does that mean?
I guess I can keep second one. Oh no, it's a sale.
The second one for what?
For my future car, which you're gonna buy me. No, you have to give it away, baby.
So that means giveaway time.
Yes.
All right. So what's the rules?
200 thumbs up.
The rules are you have to be subscribed to our channel and give a thumbs up. Write a comment below. So comment, like, and you must be subscribed. And Margarita and I will do a random draw and choose a winner. So you have that much time to like, subscribe, and write comment below.
And it's a really good product. I'm happy I installed that because it looks nice and it's protect your screen.
So Ram, thank you very much for the product. Thank you for the quick replacement. We appreciate it. And another great accessory, another great product. And I'll link to it below also. And there we go.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be safe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, what she said.
So say thank you for my gift to you.
Thank you, Rita.
Yeah.
Why was the cheek, not the lips? You're like,
I have a lipstick.
So what? Now I have lipstick.
Mark.